In this presentation, I'm going to show you 5 ways to motivate yourself and find your inner drive. When it comes to getting results and succeeding in life, it takes motivation and ability. It is your motivation that makes things happen. One of the easiest ways to improve your effectiveness is to master your motivation and find your inner drive. Focus on one goal. If you find that you lack the motivation to even get through your day, it may be because you have too much going on. When you take on too much and try to accomplish too many goals at the same time, you can find your energy and motivation waning. You can't maintain focus and energy when you're trying to accomplish more than one goal at a time. You have to choose one goal and focus on it entirely. Get excited. If you want to find your motivation, you have to get excited about your goal. This starts by finding inspiration from others, whether in the form of books, blogs, or magazine articles about someone's success. Then you have to take this excitement and build on it. Once you've gotten excited about one goal, it's become a matter of carrying that energy forward to the next target. Think about it daily. If you think about your goal on a daily basis, it is much more likely to be accomplished. Posting your goal on your wall or computer desktop can help you keep your goal in the forefront of your mind. You can also send yourself daily reminders. Also, doing just one thing, even if it's small, to further your goal every day, you will not only accomplish your goal, but do it sooner than you could ever imagine. Understand there are ebbs and flows. Motivation isn't a constant thing that will always be there for you. It comes and goes like the tide. You have to realize that while it might go away, that this isn't permanent. It will come back. You just have to stick with it and wait for your motivation to return. Stick with it. No matter what you do, don't give up. Even if you lack motivation today or this week, don't stop. Your motivation will return. You need to think of your goal as a long journey, and your lack of motivation is nothing more than a bump in the road. Stay with it for the long run, and eventually, you'll get there. Even the most motivated of us can become unmotivated at times. With some small steps, you can get started down the road to positive change.